Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best Canon DSLR in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera is the perfect camera for any photographer looking to take their photos to the next level. This camera has a 24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS C, sensor and the powerful DIGIC 8 image processor, allowing you to capture stunningly detailed images with ease. With the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can share your photos with your friends and family quickly and easily. The dual-pixel CMOS AF gives you accurate and fast autofocus when shooting photos or videos. It also features a 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen for easy operation and viewing of your photos and videos. The camera also has an optical viewfinder, giving you the classic shooting experience. The camera is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel and everyday use. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera is the perfect camera for any photographer looking to take their photos to the next level. Pros: built-in Wi-Fi allows for easy sharing of photos and videos. Dual-pixel CMOS AF provides fast and accurate autofocus. 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen allows for easy navigation and control of the camera. Compact and lightweight body design makes it ideal for travel. Cons: limited 4K video recording capabilities. Limited battery life. No built-in flash. Number 2. Our second best pick is Canon EOS 6D Mark II Digital SLR Camera Body. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II Digital SLR Camera Body is the perfect camera for any photographer, complete with a full-frame 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor that captures incredible detail and beautiful colors. It features a DIGIC 7 image processor for superior performance and an ISO range of 100 to 40,000 for amazing low-light photography. The camera is also Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to easily share images with friends and family. It also has a 3.0-inch vari-angle touch LCD screen to give you the perfect angle for composition. With a 45-point all-cross type AF system, you'll be able to capture the perfect shot quickly and easily. Whether you're a professional photographer or a beginner, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II Digital SLR Camera Body will provide you with the performance and quality you need to take stunning images. Pros: high-resolution image quality. Wi-Fi enabled for easy wireless image transfer. Fast and accurate autofocus system. Durable and lightweight body construction. Built-in GPS for geotagging images. Cons: expensive. Does not include a lens. Not suitable for video recording in 4K. Number 3. Our third best pick is Canon EOS Rebel T7i Body. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i Body is the perfect camera for budding photographers. It features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS, APS C, sensor and a high-performance DIGIC 7 image processor that combine to deliver stunning image quality. Its 45-point all-cross type AF system enables you to capture sharp photos quickly and accurately, even in low-light situations. The camera also has a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD, making it easy to compose and review your shots. With its fast burst rate of 6 frames per second, you can capture moments of action and stunning detail. Its built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity make it easy to share your photos with family and friends. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Canon EOS Rebel T7i Body is the perfect companion for capturing your memories. Pros: 24.2 megapixel CMOS, APS C, image sensor. DIGIC 7 image processor for improved speed and performance. 45-point all-cross type autofocus system for accurate, fast focusing. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity for easy sharing and remote control. 3.0-inch vari-angle LCD touchscreen with 1.04 million dots for easy viewing. Cons: expensive compared to other entry-level DSLRs. No 4K video recording. Unimpressive battery life. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame Digital SLR Camera Body. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame Digital SLR Camera Body is the perfect choice for any photography enthusiast. This camera offers a full-frame 35mm CMOS sensor with a resolution of 30.4 megapixels and dual DIGIC 6 Plus processors for superior image quality. It shoots up to 7 frames per second and has an extended ISO range of 125,600, expandable to 102,400. This camera is great for capturing stunning photos in any type of lighting condition. It also features a 3.2-inch Clearview LCD 2 touchscreen for easy navigation and a 61-point autofocus system for fast and accurate focusing. Additionally, it is compatible with a variety of lenses and accessories, making it perfect for any type of photography. With its impressive features and advanced technology, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame Digital SLR Camera Body is a great choice for any photographer. Pros: 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, 7 frames per second continuous shooting, 61-point AF system, high ISO performance up to 32,000, built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, weather-resistant design. Cons: high price tag, no 4K video recording, no touchscreen display. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Canon EOS 1DX Mark II DSLR camera. Introducing the Canon EOS 1DX Mark II DSLR camera. This camera is designed for professional photographers and filmmakers who demand superior image quality and performance. With a full-frame 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and dual DIGIC 6 Plus image processors, the EOS 1DX Mark II captures sharp, detailed images with low noise and wide dynamic range. The camera also features a 61-point AF system with 41 cross-type points, 14 FPS continuous shooting, and 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS. The EOS 1DX Mark II is built to be durable and reliable, with a rugged magnesium alloy body and extensive dust and weather sealing. With its fast performance and superior image quality, the Canon EOS 1DX Mark II DSLR camera is an ideal choice for professional photographers and filmmakers. Pros: high-speed imaging performance with up to 20 FPS shutter speed. Impressive 61-point AF system for fast and accurate autofocus. 4K video recording capabilities for high-quality video production. High-resolution 20.2MP full-frame CMOS sensor for superior image capture. Dual DIGIC 6 Plus image processors for fast and responsive operation. Cons: limited battery life of just 950 shots per charge. Heavy body weighing in at just over 2.5 pounds. Lack of built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.